How much fun can we have in a kebab factory? Let's find out. So I've been told to close my eyes because Aziz is taking me somewhere today.
I haven't told Eray where we're going, but it's probably every Mediterranean man's dream.
Why don't you buy me a blindfold at least?
Listen, we can't budget that today.
Can I open my eyes yet?
You can open your eyes in 30 seconds.
Hold my hand, take. Oh, I'm excited.
You're gonna be so excited! Open your eyes.
Are we at a kebab factory?
We are at a kebab factory!
We're at Kismet Kebabs.
We're at Kismet Kebabs!
What, are we going to go and eat food and see how it's made and stuff?
You'll see very soon.
Kismet Kebabs hooked us up with a factory tour, so we're taking you lot with us. So let's get to it. We are in the main room, the doner room.
The doner is made.
This room is dedicated to doner.
That's it.
That's it.
Doner room.
It's cutting doner. And it's these machines, robots, that are cutting them. And we're just watching doner being cut.
AI.
If this is the future, sign me up.
This is not your dream, then you're not dreaming big enough.
My nose looks really big in this. Yep, my bed. This room holds doner cutting machines that cut doner all day long. These doners are specially made, so it takes around 5 to 6 hours to finish cutting it. And trust me, Aziz can stand there watching for that long. Once the doner is cut, it drops into these trays, which then travels along to the next room for cooling down. In this room, the doner gets blasted by massive fans, which cool it down so it's ready for packaging. It then moves on to this contraption, which then works out exactly how much you need for each bag. It's a good job I'm not setting the quantities. Once that's done, it all gets fed to the next machine that bags it and tags it and gets it ready out for shipment. These little bad boys coming out are going straight to Iceland. You never know, the next bag you buy from Iceland might be the one blessed by me and Aziz. Aziz gives a thumbs up. Then it's time to get it all boxed up and out the door. Just watching doner done.
So it's actually spinning.
Doner is dunning.
Don't
Don't know where. Oh, he's run ahead. We can't wait. I'm off to the test kitchen now to try some of the kebabs. Kismet Kebabs have their own test kitchen where they work on recipes, test out new flavours, and we were lucky enough to be invited in to try their doner. I mean, you can see why this is a dream come true for us. I asked for a chicken doner wrap and I wanted it extra cheeky. So we're now in the test kitchen about to eat the finished product. Wait, I'm doing
Sorry. I'm literally drooling.
So I've got chicken doner, but I should have held out because you got a combination.
I've got chicken and lamb doner mix.
Hang on, let's do the rip. ASMR. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, wait. Put some lemon on it.
Put some lemon on it. He knows.
Say this thing. Lemon. I was enjoying it so much I couldn't even get my words out here. Kismet Kebabs make all their doner on site and they supply all the kebab shops in the UK, so you know they know what they're doing. They showed us how easy it was to prepare kebab using ingredients that you can buy and make at home, which means you can whip up something that looks like this at home using their frozen doner. Starting to hit a little food coma. How about you?
I think I've got more space.
Well, that's a challenge. I've got more space now.
Oh, haven't you?
I ain't got no food coma. Let's do it. Let's go round 2, bruv. And what better way to end the day? Pick up your Kismet Kebabs from either Iceland's or JJ Food Service. Oh.